Okay, so just got dropped off by the bus. And headed back on the trail. I guess it's all uphill. But at least I get views like this, so that's exciting. But you know, it'd be nice to just sleep all day and cuddle my dog, but that's not gonna happen, so.
What dog would that be? Hunter? Oh, I snuggle with him all day. I snuggled with him all day today. It was great. Charlie, he's up there, I'm sure, loving it with Grandma and Grandpa. Dingo, who you hate, I don't really hate. He's doing fine. He's snuggling with Nathan. I know it's not, you're over 100 days out there, but and you're feeling a little homesick for your doggies, but they'll be here when you get done. Finish strong.
About 8 miles out from Stehekin. So we left this morning. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. We left this morning on the first bus out, so 8 o'clock. Yeah, I don't know how far we're gonna try to make it, but our next stop is going to be Stehekin. I have a box that's set there for my grandparents, so we'll see. Yep. My turn. You got this.
We're about to cross the river and I'm so excited.
Yay!
Crossing Agnes Creek. Pretty much our first river ford of the trip. And that's Extra Mile hiking with us right now. How was it?
Felt kind of good.
No, it didn't.
No, it doesn't. My feet are freezing.
Oh my.
Right at the end of that video there, you hear Crunchmaster say "Oh my" or something in that regards. That's where Extra Mile had slightly slipped in the river crossing there. He was about to jump in, but she steadied herself and made it across. And this is Extra Mile here. You see, it's Crunchmaster coming up behind him. So everybody was safe. Nothing to worry about.
this section's going to be insane. There's so many down trees because of the fire. But we'll make it through, just a little slower. All the waterfalls are just so pretty. So I don't take much video when it's raining or hailing, but I'm under a tree and it's kind of blocking me for a few seconds, but it's hailing right now. Can't really see it. It was coming down harder earlier, but didn't take my phone out. Having fun.
Okay, so what you just saw there, you might want to go back and watch it again after I'm done talking here. Daisy actually told me about it. She slipped while walking and fell partially down the side there. Not too bad. And what you see is she's got the phone in her mouth, and she's holding it as she's basically climbing back up and getting back on trail. You know, she definitely, as you can see there, she's a go-getter and a killer there. There's no screaming and yelling, just like, oh, and she puts it in her mouth and she gets back up on the trail. Killer.
Look it. It's Crunch. I don't know if you could see him. It's right there. Oh, it's not focusing. There's Extra Mile right there. She's a southbound hiker. She's been hiking with us for a little bit. It's just been nice. It's been raining on us a lot. Washington weather. Yeah.